it's your travel agent, David, and we're about to take a cruise from Vancouver. Now, this cruise terminal is in a fantastic location. I'm just going to show you some of the stuff that you can see on your way, or if you get here early before your boarding time, things that you can do. So we're going to start off at the convention center. There's a lot of restaurants around here. You got the waterfront. You see about a dozen seaplanes that are coming in and out all day from their tours. There's even a floating Chevron station. But you get all kinds of different art out here and things like that. So let's go check out the waterfront around the pier or port. Well, it's blocked off, but right over there is a statue of an orca whale that looks like it's put together like Lego blocks. It wasn't, but this is the design of it. But the convention center, they have a lot of food restaurants around here. From the port, you're about a 5-minute walk to Gastown. You're about a 15-minute walk to Chinatown. You're right along the seawall. So a lot of stuff to do within like 15 minutes of walking. You're probably about a 40-minute walk to the island, and you're about a 10-minute walk to the shopping district. So if you want some time to kill and you want to go shopping, not too far to go for that. And there's also some souvenir shops around the area that you can get some souvenirs for your trip here if you want to as well. Now here at the port out front, they do have a welcome center. Look for the big Canadian flag. The big bus hop on, hop off location is right here as well. If you want to go to Grouse Mountain, you can get tickets there and a free shuttle. And across the street are e-bikes or e-scooters if you're looking for them as well. So when you get here, it looks like you can go to the left because it says welcome aboard, Benvenuta aboard. It looks like a welcoming area. That's not where you want to go. You want to keep going in front of the hotel to get to the port. So if you don't want far to walk at all, you can stay at the Pan Pacific Hotel. But when I checked out the rates for them, they're quite high compared to walking 5 minutes from the Pinnacle. That's a relatively steep ramp. So if you're having mobility issues, it may just be worth taking a car down here versus going down those steps. I do have a ramp to the other side, but that was pretty steep as well. So when you get to the port, you gotta come all the way to the back to drop off your bags. Door D is what you're looking for. Once you get done checking in before security, you get a green ticket. Unfortunately, it's not a free drink ticket.